Hello my dear lovely children. All are fine? Very good. Welcome back to our English class. And this is video 4 of chapter 5, The Red Bird Tree. And today we are going to do the textual exercises of this chapter. Chapter 5, The Red Bird Tree. Okay. And today we will do the textual exercises of this chapter. Now, let us start. All are ready with your books, pencil and eraser? Very good. Let's start. Question number A. Tick the correct pictures to answer correctly. 1. Which tree did the eldest son see in the forest? The question is, which tree did the eldest son see in the forest? See here, two pictures, the picture of trees are given. So you have to take the correct one. Which one? Do you remember what we learnt here? The eldest prince asked the king's charioteer to take him deep into the forest where the tree grew. It was still early spring and the tree was standing a bare stump of wood in the forest. Bare stump without any leaves or bird. So which one will be the correct answer? Which tree the eldest son saw in the forest? Yes, this one, without any leaves or birds. So we will tick A, bare tree. Okay. Second one. Which tree did the second prince see in the forest? Now, the next son requested the king's charioteer to take him to the red bird tree. The tree was covered with bright red birds and looked very beautiful. So, the second prince saw the tree covered with bright red birds. So, we will tick option B. B is the correct answer. The eldest son saw the bare tree without any leaves and birds, but the second prince, the second son, when he went to the woods, what he saw? He saw the tree was covered with red birds, with bright red birds. Clear? Now, let's turn the page. Question number B. Answer these questions. So, children, these 4 questions are there and we are going to write all these questions in our English copy. So what you will do? Go and take out your English copy. Okay. English copy, pencil and eraser. We are going to write all these question answers in our copy. Okay, children. So this is our English copy. You will write the name of the chapter, The Red Bird Tree. Classwork, question answer. Yes, this is our classwork type. Question number 1. Why did the 4 princes go to see the red bird tree? And the answer is, the 4 princes went to see the red bird tree because they had never seen that red bird tree and wished to be the first one to see it. Okay, they had never seen the tree and everyone wished to be the first one to see the tree. Clear? Question number 2. What did the youngest prince see when he went to see the red bird tree? The youngest prince saw that the tree was covered with little bean pods when he went to see the red bird tree. The youngest prince saw that the tree was covered with little bean pods when he went to the forest to see the red bird tree. Question number 3. Why did the third son think red bird tree was not the correct name for the tree? What was the reason behind that? That the third son thought that why this tree is called as red bird tree? The answer is, the third son thought Redbud tree was not the correct name because the tree was covered with lush green leaves instead of any red birds on the tree. So, you remember that when the third son went to the forest to see the redbud tree, what he saw? He saw that the tree was covered with lush green leaves, healthy green leaves, instead of any red bird. So he thought that why this tree is called as the redbud tree. Okay. Now question number 4. Why did the tree look different to each of the princes? Why the tree looked different to all the 4 princes? And the answer is the tree looked different to each of the princes because they saw the tree at different times of year. Yes, have you remembered? The eldest son went to the forest to see the tree at early spring. The second son, he went at the end of the spring. In this way, all the 4 princes, they went to see the same tree but at different times of year. So, today we have completed the textual exercises of this chapter, the redbud tree. Okay, students. So, we have completed this chapter today and we will again meet in our next class with some new topic. Till then, bye-bye.